Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the December curated bead box. I literally just tore it out of the envelope. I haven't even seen the front picture yet, so let's see. What do we have? Iced crystals. Ooh, look at the purple with the blue. Super excited about this. All right, so curated bead box has a sister store called dollarbead.com, and you can get matching items from the box by using these codes at that website. Also, this box comes with a finding starter kit, so it has crimps, elastic, beading wire, things like that. So let's unbox, see what's in here, and then we'll make a project. First, we have this 10mm grape jade style glass bead. Super great color. These are coated, I think, but they're so bright, like they almost look like neon when the light's hitting them. Ooh, those are really pretty. We have a 10mm violet glass pearl bead, 8-inch string. Love that purple. 10mm purple blossom spray glass bead, 6-inch string. So these have like little white spots on them. I like that. We have 8mm seafoam glass pearled string, and this is 16 inches. This is a great color. That's definitely like a mermaid seafoamy green. Love that. I love that they went playful winter with this. Not like super icy blues. It's more turquoises, and that, you know me and turquoise. We've been a thing for years. 8mm turquoise apple green crackle frosted duo bead, 10-inch string. Oh my gosh, I love it. We know I love a crackle bead. We know I love green. We know I love turquoise. We know I love matte. So this is hitting all the boxes. This is almost like a summer box, but I'm sure there's going to be something wintry in it. But I don't care because I love summer. I love summer. I love turquoise. This is my color palette. Love it. Then we have 8mm pastel blue yellow duo style glass bead, 10-inch string. Again, crackles, turquoise, green-ish yellow. Beautiful. Love those. So much fun. Then we have an 8mm pale green gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. So this has got greens, yellows, white, cream, gray in it. We have an 8mm white gemstone bead string, 7 to 8-inch string. Cool neutral. Then we have a 4mm turquoise gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. I'm not sure that these are actually turquoise because of the white. It's probably Hallite or dyed magnesite, but it's cool. I know we've gotten these before in the boxes. We have two different things. So we have approximately 1 ounce iced gem designer glass bead mix and approximately 1 ounce icy crystal designer glass bead mix. So I don't know which one's which, but we have a white one and then we have a blue-green one. So this one has white crystals, glass beads, barrels, little chaton shaped beads, but I think they're actually bicones. Cool mix though. You can get quite a few different beads into a 1 ounce mix, and obviously you don't have to use them all together. So I really like those clear beads. And then this one we have the blues and greens, and you know that's an immediate like here. Oh yeah, I really love these little. We have two different types of saucers. So there's a turquoise and a light blue, and I don't know if that's picking up that they're a different color on the camera, but this one's more turquoise, that one's more light blue. We've got bicones. We've got, again, that chaton shape. More bicones. Really fun color mix. And then we've got more, just a lot of beads get into an ounce mix. Sometimes I think like an ounce isn't quite a lot, but when you have tiny beads, it can be. Especially when some people just sell beads in grams, right? And then we have 4mm silver metal bead caps, approximately 40 caps. These are so teeny tiny. Oh my gosh. They're so little. Those are cute. Those would go really well with the tiny 4mm beads. They're so teeny tiny. Okay. And then last but not least, we have this 54 by 10mm silver metal pendant with turquoise gem. And I think that's really fun. It actually looks vintagey Southwest. I don't see the winter in this box, but I don't care because I really, like, maybe it's just because there's blue. this is my kind of box. Like, this is my, you guys know me, this is my colorway. And then we have silver as the findings kit, this metal this month. All right, so I am going to look at these, figure out what we're gonna make, and we'll go from there. But if you're thinking about subscribing to Curated Bead Box, use coupon code TURQST35, and you can get 35% off your first box, and use that at curatedbeadbox.com. All that information is in the description of this video. Let me figure something out and we'll be back. Okay, so what I decided is we're gonna make a necklace. I really wanna use these tiny turquoise beads, the white beads, the green gemstones. The surprising thing is I'm not using any of the strands that I really, really liked. I mean, I like these, but these two glass strands were my favorite. And I don't think they're gonna make them into this project because this one's gonna be a little bit more earthy. We're gonna use this pendant. I'm gonna get out two jump rings. And this is purely for aesthetic reasons. You can use one jump ring. You can use bail, you can use whatever you want. But I'm gonna open this with two jump rings. Put both of them on. And we'll need the bead stringing wire from the bindings kit. These jump rings are out of my stash because I wanted the same color as the pendant, and the bindings kit's bright silver, but you probably wouldn't be able to tell very much. Okay, so we've got that. You can do 3, you can do 4, whatever you want. And then we're gonna pick out a pattern. You know I love a pattern. Let me find my wire here. And I'm going to be using the silver bead caps with the little turquoise stones here. I got out these rondelles, I got out these crystals, got out the clear that I really liked, and then some of these barrel or cylinder white beads. But I think the main, I wanted a little bit, like I like the white, but I want to go with these dirtier color beads. So these will be our filler. I think I'm going to put 2 of these right here. I'll open my turquoise. Those there. I might get some just quick silver spacers like daisies or something out of my stash if I decide I need a little bit more metal than just these little guys. Like once you see things in spaces, you're like, maybe not that one. Maybe I just needed, I feel like I needed one more of these before I went into the clear. I think that's just going to be my pattern. Super easy, but start with the green, move to turquoise, then the green, turquoise, green, turquoise, rondelle, clear bead, and then keep going. So I'm just going to go ahead and string these. I'm going to put as many as I can of these on until I run out, the spacer beads, or not spacer beads, the bead caps. And then I have some daisy spacers that I'll probably put between the clear and the rondelle beads. So, all right, I'm just going to string this and then we'll come back and crimp the ends. Okay, so I have strung this. Very simple, but it's so pretty. And then the back, I changed up the pattern because once I ran out of the bead caps, I just switched to the clear turquoise and green beads. But it's so pretty. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a surprise. And then we're just going to grab the jump rings and clasps and crimp beads out of the bindings kit, and we'll put on a crimp bead and my jump ring. This is the left side, so I'm going to put just the jump ring on this side. Come back down through a couple beads. And scooch that jump ring, or scooch that crimp tube up towards the jump ring, making sure those wires are not crossed, and they're not. So I'm going to put that in my crimping pliers, and I'm going to squish and turn 90 degrees. Squish and squish. And then we're going to move all these beads down toward the jump ring. I'm going to trim this so we can get it closer. Okay. And of course we want to do this in loosey-goosey fashion. Put on our last crimp bead and our clasp. Come back through that crimp and down through a couple beads to get some leverage here. I always wonder, I've done this probably 300 times on this channel, and I always wonder, do you guys really want to see me crimp every single time? If not, I'll probably get somebody who says, why didn't you crimp? But I kind of keep them in there in case this is the first video you're ever watching on my channel too, and you haven't learned how to crimp yet. So there are hundreds of other videos and tutorials on the channel if you're interested. All right, so I'm pulling that tight, making sure there aren't any noticeable gaps, but we're not doing it in a straight line so we get a good drape. And I am going to squish. Maybe. There we go. Squish. Turn. Well, maybe. This one's very, he doesn't want to go in the direction I want him to. Turn, squish, turn, and squish again. And then we will trim off this wire. And we have a necklace. I'm going to, of course, put photos of it at the end. But thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you've stayed this long and you want to win this necklace, I'm going to give it away, as well as this little pile of beads right here, so you can make a matching bracelet, necklace, whatever you'd like, or coordinating. You can add in things from your own stash, and this strand of beads. And I'm also going to give away to the same lucky winner a random old curated bead box that I never opened. And I think it's like from either earlier this year or at the beginning of 2023. I have no idea what's in it. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to stick it in the package to you with these beads, and you'll have a nice little surprise. So if you're interested in entering the giveaway to win this necklace, please make sure you're a subscriber of my channel, you like this video, and leave me a comment. And in the comment, I would love to hear what your favorite type of jewelry is, or your favorite type of jewelry to make. And I hope you win. So today I'm going to post this on Friday, December 13th. I'll leave the comments open to win until Friday, December 20th, and then I will announce it on my channel who won the box. So good luck to whoever wins. This is because I never did a giveaway for my 23,000 subscribers. I love all of you. Thank you so much. I'm still really trying to grow the channel. We've been kind of slow on getting videos out, but I'm challenging myself to do 30 videos in 30 days to get myself motivated. And so far it's working. So yes, you have until the 20th. I will check to see if you're a subscriber by asking you to send me a screenshot after. If whoever wins, I'll ask you to send that to me. And thank you. Thank you for being a subscriber. We're going to probably do some more giveaways soon, so make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified when my videos come up, and always check in because I don't put giveaway in the title because we get a lot of spam if that happens, and we get a lot of spammers and scammers. So if anybody leaves a note or a comment asking you to give them money or send you an invoice, that's not me. I'm not charging you anything to enter this. I'm not going to ask you to send me money for shipping. Just so you know, I have one email address, and it's the same one that I use for my business. It has my first last name .studio@gmail.com. So that's the only way I would get in touch with you, or if I leave you a comment below using my channel name. So please be careful. I can't always see everything that everybody comments. So if you think it's a scam, it might be a scam. Just reach out to me and see if I asked you to send me money, because I'm not going to ask you to send me money. But anyway, sorry, got off topic. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And if you're interested in subscribing to Curated Beadbox, use coupon code TURQST35 at curatedbeadbox.com. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Here's a shot of the criminal. She was just licking these bone beads that are just in reach for her. Yeah, you're cute, but you're going to jail. Yeah, you're going to jail.